Today is February 28th, the last day of February. I have been reading this book since January 1st, and it's been taking me so long because I just am not that in love with it. What I've realized about this genre is like you're waiting till the end for like the big plot twist at the end. So I guess I didn't really understand that, and this whole time I've just been like, can we get to it, you know? So I'm on the last 30 pages of the book, and I have yet to be wowed. But for some reason I don't want to not finish it. Maybe I do like it because I do want to know what happens at the end, but I'm not anticipating to be wowed, honestly. Like I'm kind of hoping I feel like I might be disappointed by the ending though. So I'm saying that to say I don't want to bring this book into the next month. My original plan, I made this plan of reading like two books a month, like 26 books in the year. I'm not doing that anymore. I'm not putting a number on it, but I do want to keep it moving. I also want to start something new. I'm tired of reading this. Yeah, I'm literally on chapter 16, the last couple chapters in part 4, and then I just have part 5 left. Finished. The ending was good. So the entire time I was reading this book, I was trying to guess what was going to happen. I was hoping I was going to get the moment where you're like, wait a second, and then you have to go back and read and think about every single thing you already read or watched to like refigure it out because you know what actually happened. Like I said earlier, I just didn't understand, I think, reading a book like this. And so now that I understand the format, I think I will be a little bit more patient while reading more of them. So all in all, it turned out really good. I liked the ending. I tried my hardest to guess, but I couldn't. So now we can move on to the next book. Hello. I guess that would be fun. Hello. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Look at me figuring this out. I have the same outfit on that I was wearing when I started these granny squares. That's funny, but that was like 2-3 weeks ago at this point. This morning, I got everything ready to record my podcast. And so I had it all working. I did my test run this morning. I was like, got it. So I got ready and everything, and I went to sit down, and then like nothing was working. All of a sudden, like nothing was working. And I was trying to troubleshoot, and in the midst of that, I knocked over my drink, spilled all over the carpet, and at that point I was like, I'm done. I did figure it out though. I just didn't have a button pressed that I didn't know was even a button. I don't know. That just really kind of like got me. I don't know. I just got like really frustrated. The other thing that I wanted to do today was work on the crochet projects. So I decided out of these yellow granny squares that I was going to make a hat. So I think last week I did the top part of it. I don't know if this is actually going to fit my head, but this is I made the 5-pointed granny square pentagon. And then I'm just finishing up the rest of the yellow ones. And then I'll just have to sew them together and then make the brim. So I'm working on that. I'm going to try to relax my mind again. That for some reason really threw me off. I hate when that happens, like just like one little thing like really throws you off, and you know you should just like let it go, and it's just like for some reason this time you just can't. It's just like I just don't even want to think about it anymore. I don't want to try and record it anymore. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but like I just don't even want to think about it anymore. So I wanted to say, I forgot. I got this is my old iPad. I hadn't really been using it, But I thought that I would use it as like my e-reader or like my little entertainment device to read to read books on my iPad instead of like trying to buy them or go to the bookstore and buy them or go to the library, which made me remember that I actually read all the books that I read like in middle school. I read on my phone. I read digitally, so I think I actually might prefer that, and I didn't even realize, so I'm going to try it out. I still have like a whole bunch of books. I have the Books app, the Apple Books app, I have the Kindle app, I have the Libby app, and then I have Audible, some books on Audible. And so I'm just going to try it out for a while, just using this like a little, like a Kindle, but an iPad. I downloaded some games on here, just kind of like a nice, relaxing, fun thing. Like I'm like, oh, I just want to like chill out. I picked this up because I open it and there's only like fun stuff, reading, no work stuff, no emails, no analytics, just fun stuff. So I think it might kind of, I don't know, I used it today and I kind of liked it. Something about it just feeling just like chill. Also, yeah, so I just said that to say that I'm gonna watch something. No, I'm just gonna listen to music, actually. That's why I put these headphones on. Just finished making all of the granny squares for the hat. I decided to do them all the yellow on the outside. Now I just have to connect the edges here, and then I'll connect these here, and it should make a bucket hat. And then I'll add a brim to the edge. The only thing I have left to decide is if I want to do it in more yellow, so it'll be like a yellow hat basically, or one of these. This one might not be too bad. I don't know. And then I also had more squares because originally I didn't know what I was just making stuff.
And as soon as I was taking it out of the bathtub, I could tell sure all the edges were straight and, you know, lengthening the sleeves, like flattening them out and pinning those as well. So
I just added the brim. I've done 3 rows on it so far. I think I might do 1 or 2. I think I might do 2 more, make it kind of like a longer brim. But it's turning out so good and it fits my head. It's like perfect.